And I take a toothpick and make two little lines, or two little marks right here for the nose. And then support his head. Back here you're going to have a couple of ears. So place this in and rotate it around. On the other side, place it in, rotate it around. Okay. Then for the ears here, we need two small balls, and smaller than peas. Remember I said put it up here, roll back and forth once or twice? Okay, and we're not going to use the ball tool this time. The ball tool was a little bit more round because the monkey ears are a little bit more round. This time we're actually just going to use the back of a paintbrush like this. Place it on here at this angle and roll to the right and to the left. Pick it up by the pointy part and insert it this way. Okay. Same on the other side. Okay, for the eyes, I kind of like the eyes exaggerated a little bit. He's got pretty big bulging eyes there. It just makes him look a little bit more comical. So if you just take a ball of fondant like this, place it right on top, and then take a small ball tool and push in like that. Let me do one more right next to it. Okay, and then I've just got to make sure I'm supporting the head. And we're ready to move on. Okay, so that's what we have so far. Then we're going to do the tail, so we need another ball of fondant. This one we need it to roll it out more like a cord. So I can even put it down here. Get that out of the way. Make it thinner down here. I'll take that, a little bit of water back here, attach it, and kind of have the tail come up here. Now on the end of the tail I take a little bit of the dark brown, roll it into a very small ball and then into a cone, and then pop a little water. And I actually usually stick this in like that so it's kind of sticking up, and then take the scissors and again cut. Kind of fan it out a little bit. Okay. Alright, then for spots on them, you just take the brown and you just flatten them. And you don't want them to be perfect circles. You just kind of flatten them and pop them on. So you want these to all be all different sizes also.